Hello guys, tonight is 8:33 p.m. already here. So, ang aking husband nag-request ng ground beef and rice casseroles. So, first time ko gagawin to. So, we have 1 ground beef. So, we have 2 cups beef broth. Then, 1 onion dice. And then 2 cloves minced, 1 cup rice, of course Italian seasoning. Then we have here 1 diced tomato. So guys, first time mo itong gagawin, sana maganda ang resulta. I hope it will comes out so good. So we have cheddar cheese, tama ba yung pronunciation ko, at saka 1/2 cup of sour cream. So preheat oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. So we have here pan 9 inches ba to? Parang hindi naman. 9 by 13 inches. Tama ba? So let's start. Sabi lutuin mo na dito yung beef, onion, ano ba tawag doon? Yan nga. In a large skillet, cook the ground beef, onion, garlic in a medium heat. Ganun daw. And then drain the excess fat. Okay. Nasa medium heat tayo. So, it's not in a high. So, medium. You need to drain the tomatoes. The 1 can tomatoes. So, I put it in first. The beef. The ground beef. The 1 pound beef. Okay, guys. Ayan. Cooking the beef now. So, guys, ang gagawin ko. After na maluto siya, i-drain ko yung fat niya. Excess fat. Then, I will put the garlic and then onion. 30 inches. Ayan. Huh? I'm gonna remove the excess fat. Okay. Dito na yung garlic, minced garlic, and diced onion. So, we have here beef broth and rice, paminta, salt, and bring to boil. Reduce the heat to low and cover. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and liquid is absorbed. Okay? I forgot the tomato. Tomato. Guys, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Okay guys, luto na yung rice and the liquid is absorbed. So remove from the heat mo. So 1/2 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of cheese. So dalawa to kasi mamaya ilagay mo din to mamaya kapag i-transfer na dito sa baking dish. Yan yung cheddar and then sour cream, ihalo mo. Mix. With the mixing, so i-transfer na natin dito sa baking dish. Transfer na, then ilagay natin yung remaining na 1 cup na cheddar. looks good.